As no-fly zone nomads, our unique adventure has taught us many lessons, big and small.
In this video series, we will be sharing the tech, tactics, and efficiencies that we've learned along the way and from fellow travelers that we've met along our journey.
From digital shortcuts to daily wins, this is Travel Smarts. One of the biggest headaches on the road is carrying around stacks of local cash and fumbling with a pocket full of bills. That's where services like Moreta can change everything. They let you use local QR networks without needing a local bank account. Today, we're walking you through the full setup so you can leave the heavy wallet behind and pay with a simple scan.
In Southeast Asia, many businesses prefer QR payments instead of credit cards, and this system quickly became a game changer for us because it reduces the need to carry cash. You'll see QR codes everywhere, from coffee shops and street food stalls to markets and small restaurants, where payments are completed instantly by scanning with your phone. For many travelers, this payment system feels unfamiliar at first, but once you understand it, it becomes one of the fastest and easiest ways to pay. In this video, we will show how travelers can find, set up, and use the Moreta app to pay like locals. This video is not sponsored, it's just the app we've used and had success with. To get started with Moreta, open the Apple App Store or Google Play and search for Moreta, making sure that you download the official app. Create an account by entering your email, setting a password, and verifying your account through email or text message. Complete the identity verification process by uploading your passport photo and taking a selfie so the app can confirm your identity. This is common with any financial app. After verification, open the wallet or balance section in the app and tap Add Money. You can choose USD, GBP, or Euros. Link a debit card, credit card, or use Apple or Google Pay. Choose the amount you want to add. Moreta charges a 2.5% fee, so be sure to add a method of payment that has no additional foreign transaction fees. You're best to start by adding a small amount to test that everything is working properly before you rely on it for regular payments. We have seen QR payments are widely used at coffee shops, food courts, small restaurants, convenience stores, when topping up transit cards, and many other everyday purchases. Only scan QR codes that are provided directly by the merchant or the business that you are paying. Always double-check the merchant's name and payment amount before confirming the transaction. Open the Moreta app on your phone. Tap the scan button and point your phone camera at the QR code to start the payment. Enter the amount if required, confirm the payment, and show the confirmation screen to the merchant. They will often take a picture, which is normal. It is always wise to carry a backup method of payment, such as cash or a credit card. Having multiple payment options ensures that you are covered if technology fails or if a merchant doesn't accept a certain payment method. Use mobile data when possible and avoid making financial transactions on unknown Wi-Fi networks. It is advisable to always have your VPN on when using your phone for any financial transaction. Learning how these systems work can make traveling in the region much smoother. If you found this useful and are planning to travel in Southeast Asia, we share practical travel tips like this. We also share stories from our journeys and real-world lessons from slow travel. Please consider subscribing and follow along for more useful travel insights.